So here, explore the vendor posting profile in accounts payable module. Here is that under the setup vendor posting profile. Here in journal, in description, the name is an additional specification of your web posting profile. Under the setup, specify whether the posting profile applies to a specific vendor, a group of vendors, or all vendors. The top round list contains the following option: table, group, all. If account code. If selecting table for a specific vendor, specify also a vendor account in the account group number field. If selecting group for a specific vendor group, specify also a vendor group in the account group number field. Select all for all vendor, skip the account group number. So this is the summary account. Select the ledger account that is used to be a summary account for the vendors to whom posting profile relates. Settle account. Enter the liquidity ledger account used for cash forecast. Sales X. Enter the account number for sales X for advance payment. In arrival, select the ledger account number to which information about unapproved vendor invoices is posted. Offset account. Select the ledger account number that is used for offsetting unapproved vendor invoice.